Hello viewers, this is Azharul once again. Welcome to this new video where we are going to learn step-by-step process of doing email marketing by using Mailchimp platform. From this video tutorial, you will learn basic info of Mailchimp, pricing benefits it's giving to free users, and we'll cover proper registration process and adding subscribers or email list to your Mailchimp account. I will show manual and bulk email uploading feature by using CSV file, and I will also show you how to design a nice email template and how to send it out, and we'll talk about basic reporting information. Okay, so let's get started with the basic part. So among many of the best email marketing platforms out there, Mailchimp is one of them. I love Mailchimp because it's providing great values to its free users. What I mean, I'm going to pricing section to show you something. Here, people who would love to use Mailchimp for free are getting an option to add 2000 subscribers for free, and they will be able to send 12,000 emails every month. Okay, that's a great benefit they're providing us. And their other premium subscription fees are also reasonable. Okay, so not we are not going to talk about the premium subscriptions, but we are going to talk about these parts. You'll be able to add multiple users to your Mailchimp account, and there are free guides and tutorials to learn from Mailchimp, okay, about email marketing. And there are many other features, as you can see, available for as a free user. And if you just spend some time on this page, then you'll be able to learn more about these features. But the main things I would love to mention are 2000 subscribers you can add, I mean 2000 email list you can add as a free member, and you will be able to email 12,000 times each month. That's a huge thing. Okay, so now let's move to the next part, which is registration process. To get registered, first of all, you need to have an email address, which I have already one, and then you have to click on sign up for free. Here, sign up free button, and then here is the getting started with a free account. Find your people, engage your customers, build your brand, do it all with Mailchimp's marketing tools. Already have an account login, so we don't have an account so far. So we are going to register an account, and I'm going to use this email address, email, and then username. I'm going to put Azharul Rafi, and password. Okay, and then we have to click on get started. And here we go, check your email. We have sent a message to this email address with a link to activate your account. So let's see. Here we go, we have got an email here. Mailchimp client, activate your Mailchimp account. So we have to open this email, and then nice template though. So now we have to activate the account by clicking on activate account. Okay, so now it's time to confirm that we are human. It's time to click here, I am not a robot. Okay, so our our Mailchimp account has been successfully created, and it's time to sign into our account. So I'm going to sign in by using the account I have just created. Login. We can exclude this one. Okay, so here we go. Welcome to Mailchimp. All right, let's set this up. Tell us a bit about yourself. First name. Let us put our first name here. First name and last name, and then continue. Tell us about your business. Let us know a little bit more about what you do. This information will appear in your emails to help your recipients find your organization. What's the name of your business? So I'm just going to put my business name here, and then www.teachdiary.com. If you don't have one, you just have to paste uh, give any name here, and then you can paste www.facebook.com or www.google.com, and it will be all fine. Okay, then click on continue. If you don't have a business account or business website for yourself, okay, then you should use these methods, and then click on continue. Okay, so it's time to put our address line here, so I'm going to write my address details. I'm going to give my original address here. Okay, and then after putting your address information, click on continue. And here we go. Do you have a list of email subscribers? I'll select yes, and then how many email subscribers? I'd say 501 to 2000, and then I'll click on continue. And here, connect social media. I don't want to add social media profiles right now, so let me see if it gives us access to the next page without adding Facebook or Twitter. So let's try. Okay, all right, gave us the access. Okay, let's train your Mailchimp brain. Not right now. If you click here, then you will be able to see some tutorials. Okay, but I'm not interested to watch tutorials right now, so I'm going to click on not right now. And then level up with features that grow with you. Upgrade to a paid plan starting at 10 a month. So they are trying to give you a paid subscription, but we are not interested, so we are going to click not right now. And then accounts ready, freely. Come on in, let's set up your list and build the campaigns you dream about. Want to kickstart your Mailchimp skill? Subscribe to what's in store. Okay, so I don't want to get any newsletter from their e-commerce store is about e-commerce stories or any other tips and tricks from Mailchimp. So I'm just keeping it unchecked. But if you want to get uh, emails regarding stories, tips, and experimentations they did, you can check it like this. Okay, so you will receive 2 emails each week. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck and then click on let's go. So now we are in the Mailchimp account dashboard page, and as you can see, we have successfully completed our account setup process, which is 25%. And Mailchimp is now suggesting us to start designing our first email campaign, and then we will have to add our contacts to Mailchimp, and then we'll be able to send our first real email. Okay, so I'm going to click on start from scratch. So now we are in the email template designing dashboard, and we are going to design this template as it is. We'll add the header image, we'll add text, we'll add image in body along with linking. We'll do linking in the button. As you can see, if I click on the image, it will lead us to a product page, and if you also click on this button, it will lead us to a product page, and I will show you how to add these links and links to the button and in the image, and we'll also add the footer sections along with the other information as it is in this email template. Okay, so first of all, we have to add a header section. So to add, as this header is an image file, I'm going to add this part, this block here, and I'm going to upload the image, the header image. Okay, so our header has been added, and then we'll be able to edit if we need. Okay, I'll be able to crop and resize this image. I'll be able to filter, adjust, focus. I'll be able to add text designs, stickers, brush, frame, overlays. These are the options we can do. We can actually use to our image if we need, but as I don't need anything right now, so I'm just keeping it as it is. And then we'll see the template here. We have another section which has text, so I'm going to add another section here. Okay, so let's compress this one. Okay, and now it's time to add a new section here, which is a text box. Here it is, and I'm going to add the same text as it is here. Black Friday sale 20% off. I'm going to remove the formattings. Okay, and put it to center, black, and bold. Font size should be 24 or a little bit bigger, 28. Okay, and then let's see what we have got here. Let me keep this here. And then we have another text section. I'm going to add another text field here. Simple, we just have to click and drag. Okay, and copy this text, paste it here to remove formatting, and then again copy. Here we go, we have got the text, and I'm going to color it out to black, and size should be 32. No, it's too big. 20. Yes, 20 is fine. Okay, so we have added this text, and now let me see what other options we have on the template. Okay, so here we have got an image which is clickable, I believe. Let me click, and it's redirecting us to a new tab with a link or in a web page. And under this we have got some texts which are captions, and we have got another button here. Same for this image, button and some captions. Image clickable, button, text, and some captions. So 4 images with buttons and captions. So let's go back to here. We have to find out a card which has, or block which has this one. We have to add an image with caption. Okay, as in this template we have got image with captions, so this will be our best block to choose. So I'm going to drag it here, and then I'm going to, let me see how many images do you have. 1, 2, 3, 4 images. So I'm going to make a duplicate here. If we click on duplicate block, then it will be duplicated here as many times as we'll do. So I'm going to click 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these blocks are duplicated, and it's time to copy paste these informations. Oops. Copy paste these informations. Okay, so first of all I'm going to upload this image. To upload this image, you have to click on browse, and you will have the uploading option. Then click on upload, find the file what you want to upload. I'm not going to upload this option, this t-shirt. I'm going to upload this one to give it a new look. Okay, here we go. Our t-shirt has been uploaded, and it's time to add the captions. Let's copy the caption from here. Live love message. To edit a part, you have to click on the image to get the editing options. Okay, so here, as I have clicked on the image, I have got the option to add the text. So here, live love message, live love me double let me see how message, MASSAG message. We have to make this text bold and then keep it to 24 size. Okay, and let's move this text to center, and we have to change the font color to black. Okay, and let's give a space here to make it look good. Here it is. Okay, and it's time to add the other text here. From here, actually, I'm going to copy this text to save sometimes, and I'm going to paste them here to remove the formattings, and then copying again and then pasting it here. Okay, and they should be unbold or non-bold. Okay, and they should be placed in this justify mode. Let me see how is it looking like. No, it's not looking good. I'm going to make them in align left. Okay, and it's looking good now. And then it's time to add this button. Okay, so to add this button, we have to click here and save and close, and then here we go, we have the block for this button here. So I'm going to drag this button through here, drop block here. Okay, and here we go, we have got the button. Now it's time to change the button text. Here, enjoy 20% off. So I'm going to write it down, enjoy 20% off. And okay, and oh, okay, so this image was clickable. So I'm going to show you how to make an image clickable, or how to link your image to a web page, targeted web page. So I'm going to click on this image to get the web page. Suppose this is my targeted link, so I'm going to copy this link and pasting it here. So here in this link to option, we have got other options. If you want to link an email address, then you can do so. If you want to have anchor link or file, then you can do so as well, but I'm not going to do them. Okay, so I'm going to link web address. So I have just entered the web address here, and then we have got an advanced option, which is about uh, checking and unchecking this option and title attributes. Okay, so I'm going to keep this link checked, or this button checked, because I want people to click on this image and to it will redirect them to a new page, and they will be on my email list. Okay, sorry, email page, and they will also get the web page, the targeted web page, into a new tab. Okay, so that's how I'm going to keep this option clicked, and then I'm going to put the title attribute. So I'm putting enjoy 20% off, enjoy 20% off. By writing this text here on title attribute, we'll be able to see that whenever we'll hover over this button, we'll see this text appeared, and we'll also add this title attribute to our image, and we'll also add the link to this t-shirt as well. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. Let's move back to t-shirt, clicked, and then click on link, and then we have to add the link here, and web address is selected. Go to advanced option, open in a new tab, and in title attribute I'm going to put enjoy 20% off, and then insert. Okay, so we are done with the first image, and let's move to the next image, which is tension message therapist. Let me find this image from the directory. Here it is. Here this image is, but oh, we don't have an image with button free, but no worry, I'm going to download this image, which will be button free. Here it is. Open image in new tab, save. Okay, so now let me upload this image here. Here is the image. Okay, so our image has been uploaded, and it's time to get our, oh, actually this should be opened, get our text from here. It's time for your message. I'm going to copy this part, paste it here to remove the formattings, and then again pasting it here, making it bold. Oops, bold, and placing it to center. And let's, font size should be 24. Oops, font size should be 24. Okay, and then giving a space for these texts. I'm going to copy them, pasting them here, and then again copying and then pasting them here. Okay, so now it's time to remove the formattings and put them all to black font color, and these text should be in left align mode. Okay, let me see how is it looking now. It's looking good. Oh, okay, so here we have to give a space. Okay, it's looking good, and okay, it's looking good now. And now we have to give a space here as well. Actually one is fine. Okay, so I have added two images. It's time to add the next image, sorry, the button here. To add the button, I have to drag this one here, and let's see what is here written. Enjoy 20% off. Again, same process as we did on the previous one. Enjoy 20% off. And web address, here is our link. I'm going to copy this link, paste it, advance, title to it, enjoy 20% off, save, and let's make this image clickable link, paste the link, advanced option, enjoy 20% off, save. Okay, so I have added two images to our campaign or the template, and it's time to go for the next image. And I'm going to click on browse. Let's upload the image. It's taking some time, but it's all right, I believe. Okay, so here our image has been uploaded. It's time to copy the title. Okay, oops, I think I have made some mistake. No, I should click on this image to edit its attributes. Okay, so I'm going to paste the copied paste, bold 24, and center, and we'll do the colorings later if we need. Okay, let's add the text from here, formattings, paste. Okay, save. Left align, all text should be black. Okay, save. Let's add the button. Enjoy 20% off, web address, advance. Oh, okay, so for this image I'm keeping title attribute blank to show you what it does for our campaign. Okay, so I'm just keeping both of the images here. I'll keep this attribute field blank as well. Okay, so let's move to next thing. Okay, so I didn't edit, I don't think I have added the link here. I have to add the link here. Okay, and we're done. Let's check out this one. Yes, it's added. Okay, so now we have got the other t-shirt here. I'm going to upload the image. Here it is. And then I am opening the link. Okay, so the image has been added. Let's copy this one, paste to remove the formattings, and click on the image to edit the attributes. Bold, center 24, and copy this text. Okay, '24. This one should be, oops, something is not right. We need to go to 24, and then we need to align left. Okay, and we need to change the color to black. Save. Okay, give a space, and then it's time to add our button. Enjoy 20% off. Again, web address, and in advanced option I am going to keep the title a little bit blank. And same here for this image, I need to add the link, title attribution blank. And here we go, we're almost done with our campaign, and it's time to see what else we have here. Okay, so it's time to add the footer section to our email. And to add the footer section, we just will be able, it's okay if we just make some modification here on this footer, or we can also add a footer section by dragging this part here, the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to delete one, and then we'll add the message here, this message, and that should be your information about your business, the address details and other information. Let me show you the format again. Okay, here we go. Here you should paste current year. So I'm going to paste here current year 2018. Sorry, let me put 2019, as it is almost, the year is almost ended, going to be ended. And the company name is Teach Diary. Alright, reserves, and let's put a release this description. So test list, let me put test list, and the archive page should be nothing. Okay, and our mailing address is here. We should enter an address details. So I'm going to put address details. No, actually I'm just keeping it blank. Okay, so let's remove this part. And then want to change how you receive these emails, you can upgrade your preference, subscribe from. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to add this part to this field. Actually, let's delete the other part. I'm going to add this part here. Okay, and if you want to add your social media profiles, you will be able to add them as well. As you can see, social follow. Let me show you the process here. Okay, so here on Facebook, you can add other attributes by clicking on edit, and then you'll be able to add other buttons here. Add another service. So for Facebook, I'm just keeping it as Facebook, Twitter, website. You can change your website as it already changed to by default, as I have added my website address, and as I didn't added Twitter or Facebook profile, so it's just going to its natural page. Okay, so now it's time to click on save and close. And here we go, our template is ready. Let me review this template. Enter preview mode 1, and here we go, our email template is here. Okay, this is the desktop version of our email template, and now let's see how it will be looking like in a mobile device. Here we go, it's looking very nice. I believe you you will love this. Oh, okay, so in mobile version, actually I'm seeing some gaps here, as I made it to look it better, but it actually made this template look worst. But let's get back and let's move the spacings. Okay, and 20, 24, actually no, 24, it should be 20. Okay, and then one space, all good, and other things are all good. So I am just going to click on save and close, and then I'm going to preview mode once again to see how it is looking now. And just take a look, it's looking nice right now, as you can see, in mobile version as well. And for inbox preview, we won't be able to see inbox preview right now, so it doesn't matter. Let's move to desktop version once again to see how it is going to be looking like. Okay, to me it's looking like nice, and I'm going to send a send a test email. Okay, so send test to, I'm going to put my email address here. Okay, and going to click on send text. Okay, so the email has been sent. As you can see, von Voege test email, your test email is on its way to the test recipients. So we'll receive the email within few seconds. Let me go to my Gmail account to see if there is any email added. Yes, here we go. So I'm going to open this email to show you how it is looking like on my inbox. Here we go, here is our email, and here is the template which we have designed live. Okay, so it's looking good in my eyes. Please let me know how it was in your view. Okay, so I'd be grateful for your honest opinion. Okay, so that's the process of designing an email template. Although it's a basic template, I will show you how to design advanced email templates in a future video. Okay, so here we go, we are done with testing out the email template, and it's time to send out the email address send out the email template or the email newsletter to our subscribers. And it's time to click on save and close to add the subscribers. Okay, so here the title was the email campaign was untitled, named as untitled, and let's keep it as it is. But let's make some change here on two fields. Who are you sending so who are you sending this campaign to? So there should be our subscribers listed. So I'm going to click on add recipients, and I'm going to click on choose a list, and here we go, one subscribed contacts. I'm going to choose Teach Diary, and I'm going to set to it to all subscribers on list. And depending on your use, you can choose other options, as you can see from here. Okay, so now I'm going to click this one, personalize the to field. By clicking on this, uh, it will include like, hi Azharul. If I add my name to my email, then it will email me like this. Let me show you. Oh, actually not, this email should not be personalized. But if you add this personalized to field, then it will add first name to your email. So the first name, the email will be, hi Azharul, we are giving 20% off for this Black Friday season, instead of these types of email. Okay, so actually this version of email. Okay, so I'm going to click uncheck because I don't need to personalize this email address, and sorry, this email newsletter. So it's time to click on save, and we are done with email subscribers. And here we go, the field from. So it's time to set up our from section. So as I want to send this email from my email address which I have created this Mailchimp account with, so I'm going to set it as it is, and my name should be Azharul Rafi, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so let me talk about something. Use something subscribers will instantly recognize, like your company name. In this field, you have to put your company name or maybe your name, whatever you want your subscriber to see. For example, here, when I'm receiving a notification or an email, here I'm seeing Upwork notification, because this is because they inserted here on name field Upwork notification. Okay, so I'm going to click save, and it's time to click add our subject button. So I'm going to add subject. So this will be appeared here. Okay, you have been invited to a job. Okay, so this, like this one. So I'm going to put something like, get your Black Friday deal now. Okay, 20% off for you. Okay, and then on the preview text we are just keeping it blank, and now I'm going to click on save, and our template has been already designed. Let's preview it once again. Here we go, everything is fine with the template. So now let's move back to mobile version. All good, and cross it out, and we are all done. If we want to add or uh, share this email template to our social media, then we need to connect our Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, but we don't want to add these social cards. So I'm just moving to the send button or send option. So I'm going to click on send, and here we go, we have got one subscriber to our list. So I'm going to send it to the one subscriber, send it to my email actually. And after sending this email address, then I will show you how to add multiple subscribers or bulk subscribers to your Mailchimp account. So before that, I'm going to click on send now button, and it will take few seconds. Here we go, high fives, your campaign is in the send queue and will go out shortly. Untitled will be sent to one subscriber from the list. Okay, and I'll receive this email within few seconds, I believe. Here we go, I have just received. Okay, so though I have showed you the process, but unfortunately I'm seeing a message here because as I have used the promo code here on this email template, Mailchimp just detected unusual activity, as I have just added these promo codes, so they're just not. They're not giving us access to send emails right now. As you can see, the account has been disabled. You may log in at any time to export and back up your account data. Okay, so I don't want to export anything here, so let's keep it as it is, and let me show you the processes to add email list or the subscriber list. Okay, so as you can see, by default we have got one subscriber list, but now I'm going to show you how to add subscribers or email list to manually. So I'm going to click on create list, and again create list. Give a list name. Let me show promo receivers, and then default from email address. So I'm going to use mdrafi 2019 at gmail.com. I want my subscribers to receive emails from my email address, and default from names, let me put Azharul Rafi. I could use my company name Teach Diary as well. Okay, so remind people how they signed up to your list. Hi, you're receiving this email because you signed up to my subscribers list. Okay, and here is the details of my company address and other informations, and let's keep all the other things as they are. But if we just enable double opt-in, then whenever a person will subscribe to our email list, they will receive a confirmation email, as we have got here. Let me show you something. Here we go. Activation your email, Mailchimp account activation. Okay, so like this they will receive an email. Okay, and on notification, let's see summary of subscriber unsubscriber activity. If you want to receive email notification, or if someone has subscribed to your email list or unsubscribed from it, then you can check this one. And if you want to get a notification, it will give you full details in one email. But if you want notification every action, if someone subscribed to your email list, then you want to get a notification, and if someone unsubscribe from your email list, then you want to get a notification, then you can select this one. Okay, these two options. On you will receive notification every subscription, and you will get notification on every unsubscription as well. Okay, so now it's time to click on save. And as we don't have any contact, we are not seeing here, we are getting this message, you have no contacts, but we have options to add. Go back here, let me show you how to add add subscribers manually. For example, if you have only 1, 2, or 3, or maybe a few subscribers, then you can do like this. I am just adding my original email, mrif9@gmail.com, and Azharul Rafi, first name, last name, and let's put the other fields as it is. And I'm going to click on subscribe, and the person gave me permission. I have to click here. Okay, I have to enter the details of the person. For example, I have inserted my email address, my name, my first name, my last name, and then I have to check this button. This person gave me permission to email them, and if there's person on my list, update their profile. Okay, so I'm going to click on subscribe, and the profile has been added. Okay, so now let me here, as you can see, mission accomplished, mdrafi9@gmail.com was successfully added to your list. View profile. So now I'm going to click on it to see the details. Okay, Azharul Rafi. Okay, now I'm moving back to the lists, and I am here is promo receivers, 1 subscribers. I have just added manually, and now I'm going to show you how to add subscribers with by using input file. Let me show you where is the option. Manage contacts, or actually import. Okay, so I'm going to manage contacts, add subscribers. Here we go. So in promo receivers, we have got one subscribers, but if you want to add multiple subscribers, let me show you the process. Input contacts, click on input contacts, and then input CSV file. So to add CSV file, first of all, you have to add your you have to have an Excel CSV spreadsheet ready with these fields. Let me show you: email address, first name, last name. Okay, so I am just putting few demo emails like name@gmail.com, first name F, last name L at gmail. Let me see, these are the first name and last name. Okay, so let me let us guess that there are thousands of emails and we want to add them at once. So this will be the format: email address, first name, last name. And if you want to add more information, you can add them here. And then you have to save your spreadsheet as in uh, CSV file. So I'm going to documents, and it should be CSV email list. Okay, yes, done. And it's time to select the file from here. Next, browse the file folder, and here is the email list. I'm going to click on open, and it's time to click on next. And here we go, we have got 2 subscribers, and it's time to add them all. No text, subscribed, import. Okay, so here we go, we have got 3 emails now. So I just showed you how to add bulk email addresses to your subscribers list. So this is the process of uh, adding multiple subscribers or multiple emails at a time. And now it's time to discuss about basic reporting. So as we have gotten accidentally, we have got this issue with our newly created account due to these words here: Black Friday and promo. Okay, due to these words, we have got our account blocked. So I'm not going to be able to show you the reporting from this account, but in a future video I'll cover all the information. I will send an email without any promo code, okay, or without using any blacklisted words in the email, and then I will be able to show you the details of reporting. Okay, so I'm sorry about the accident. As you can see here, account has one or more issues. Okay, so I'm sorry to see this accident here, which happened live, but I'm sorry about that. And I'm promising you that I will make more videos. I'll make another video which will be nice and clean about email marketing. Okay, and I will include all the options that I have promised as on this spreadsheet, sorry, on this Google Doc, which I was about to talk. Actually, we did these things already, but we are unable to do reporting. Okay, so I'll cover this part in a future video as well. So I hope this video was helpful a bit to you, and if it was helpful, please encourage me to make another video in future by liking this video and by commenting below. And let me know if you have any question, and let me know what are the options should I include to this video tutorial, which will be helpful for you as I am going to remake this video. Okay, so I hope to see you in the next video. And thank you very much for being with me. Have a good day.